This is the control panel in the Kea P. So this is a touch screen, so you just touch in the corner here to turn it on and the display comes up. You've got the temperature on the inside, temperature on the outside, you've got the date, the time and the battery. So to turn things on, so you've got a blank space through here, so you just go through and turn things on if you need them. So this one here is the outside light, so that's above the outside habitation door, and you'll see it'll come on that little picture to say it's on, and then you just turn it off and it goes away. Master light, so you need that on to use all the light switches. Coming over to the other side, water pump comes on, turn it off, so when you want to run your taps and have your shower, you've got to have the water pump on. Auxiliary is for flushing the toilet, so you must have that on to flush the toilet. So once you turn everything on, then you've got these two up and down arrows, so that's just scrolling through and looking at your tanks and your battery. So if I push the down arrow, it takes us to the next screen. So there's our truck battery and that is our house battery. So really important that you monitor your house battery and ensure it remains over 12 volts. This battery is getting a little low, as you can see, so I will be plugging in shortly, but you should never let your battery drop below 12 volts. Underneath the motorhome, you've got two tanks. You've got your fresh water and your grey. So when your fresh water is full, that'll be up 100%, and then this one's the grey tank. So as you use your taps in your shower, that tank will come down and the water will go into the grey. We don't have a third tank, so just ignore that one. If we push down again, it just takes us back to the main menu. And then the last one, the little picture of the little spanner there, so that's settings. So you push that and you'll see we get another little arrow on the screen, and here you can set alarms, you can change the clock and the date, so that's when you use the side arrow, and then you can change the time, etc. You can also scroll down, keep going down, and you can also put alarms on your tanks and set alarms on your batteries. Then to go back to the main screen, you just push the little spanner, and then when it's ready, when you're ready to leave camp and you're back at home, just make sure the control panel is all turned back off by simply touching that one, and it shuts everything down.